Hey everyone! In this video I'll guide you through fixing the Capcut PC No Internet issue. Whether you're using Windows 10 or 11, this solution will work for you. So, let's jump right in. The error typically presents as a network error, preventing you from using filters or effects. But don't worry, fixing it is straightforward. First, open your internet browser and navigate to google.com. Now, search for Proton VPN. This method I'm about to show you is completely free, but if you have a paid VPN, feel free to use that instead. Once you're on the Proton VPN website, click on Get VPN. Now you'll find a free option available. Download the Proton VPN for Windows and create a free account. Log into the application using your credentials and activate the VPN. This should automatically resolve the network error in your Capcut application. It's worth noting that this solution works with any VPN, so you're not limited to Proton VPN. You can also use other free VPNs like Hotspot Shield or TunnelBear, or even a paid VPN if you have one. And there you have it. That's how you fix the Capcut PC No Internet issue. Thanks for watching and peace out.